Hello, my name is Suzanne Carlson Prandini, and I'm a librarian here at the Bellingham Public Library. And I will be creating those videos for you to help point out resources in our local community that will assist you with your small business endeavors. So I'm going to bring up the outline here. Let me shift the image over. Okay. So this introduction video will cover who's creating, me, as well as share some contact information at the end if you have follow-up questions. So thank you for thinking about the public library as a resource for you. What these videos hope to do is cover a wide range of resources that are available to you. One of the videos will cover the library's website and databases, and it will show you how to find resources, and then once you find them, how to access those resources. An additional video will cover specific databases, and in the first one, we'll cover ProQuest and Reference USA, and the second one will cover ABI Informed Trade and Industry, followed by Value Line. We will then do yet another video that takes examples and walks you through the search filters so that you get comfortable executing a search, because there are slight variations between these databases. There are different products from different companies, and so they're not going to feel or act the same way. And then finally, we have a video that explores our own business and finance page. It's part of our website, our library website. And on that web page, there's a link to the small business guide that is created by library staff. And we will show you how to navigate within that, as well as demonstrate how to use the scoped lists on that page. Scoped lists are saved searches that help you find materials in the library catalog that are of interest to you underneath a subject heading like marketing. So that will be covered. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring up our contact information, and I don't want my head floating over the image of a staff member, so I'm going to shift over here to the other side and decrease the size of my image. Okay, so if you have additional questions, feel free to ask us. This is how you contact us. And again, thank you for thinking of the Bellingham Public Library as a resource for you as you build your small business.